गुड मॉर्निंग मोनू भैया।
गुड मॉर्निंग दीदी।
ब्रेकफास्ट कर लो।
Good morning people and welcome to a very short and quick episode 1 of Pahadon Mein Ghar Ho. In this episode we are going to cover the most commonly asked questions from my friends and family about shifting to mountains, how I manage my work and travel at the same time, the cost of living here, connectivity, etc, etc. So let's go. Coming to question number 1, where am I currently? I am in Nagar, Himachal, which is approximately 20 kilometers away from Manali and 15 kilometers agar aap shortcut le lo to. There are a lot of options if you want to shift and adapt the concept of work from mountains. For example, Kasol, Old Manali. But I personally prefer to stay in a place which was kind of, secluded. I am approximately 300 meters away, 300 to 400 meters away from the cottage, but I can still hear my friends' voices to this place. It's that quiet. Coming to question number 2, where am I staying? What is the cost of living and the connectivity? So I'm staying at Mid Orchard Cottage. This is the surrounding area and that is the cottage. And the cost of living, I'm living in a room without balcony on shared basis and I'm paying 15,000 rupees, which includes food, Wi-Fi, battery backup in food, 3 time ka khana including breakfast, lunch, dinner. The stay here is awesome. People here are awesome. मोनू भैया हमारे लिए as you say हॉस्टल की माँ हैं, उनके बिना यहाँ पे खाना नहीं बनता या फिर घर नहीं चलता. सो मोनू भैया इज़ द बेस्ट कुक. अगेन आकाश भैया जो हमें रोज़ सुबह उठाने आते हैं अलार्म से अगर हम नहीं उठे तो. Sahil bhai and Akshay bhai, who are the owners of this place, are really very sweet and will guide you through the entire stay. When it comes to connectivity, the Wi-Fi connection is pretty good. Now when it comes to network, I have a Jio SIM card and an Airtel SIM card. Both has good network connectivity here. It's been a month and I have not faced a single issue when it comes to network or connectivity. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Am I audible? Can you hear me? Coming to question number 3, daily routine यहाँ पे इफ़ यू आस्क मी फ्रॉम मंडे टू फ्राइडे ऐसे ही होता है. हम सुबह उठते हैं, आकाश भैया हमें उठाने आते हैं, हम ब्रेकफास्ट खाते हैं और काम पे लग जाते हैं. में सब लोग साथ में क्रिकेट खेलते हैं या फिर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ गेम्स दे प्ले डार्ट्स, दे प्ले कैरम बोर्ड्स, दे प्ले क्रिकेट. ऐसे ही दिन चला जाता है. सच बोलूँ तो यहाँ पे 1 महीना कैसे चला गया इसके बारे में पता ही नहीं चला. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट बेनिफिट्स और द ह्यूजेस्ट बेनिफिट्स दैट आई हैड फ्रॉम शिफ्टिंग टू माउंटेन्स इज़ दैट मेरा खर्चा काफ़ी कम हो गया है महीने का एंड आई एम सेविंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. व्हेन इट कम्स टू सैटरडे एंड संडे वी कैच अप एनी प्लेस. साहिल भाई, अक्षय भाई, दे हेल्प यू out to plan your itinerary for Saturday, Sunday. You meet a lot of friends, so you can just gather a group. Cost for per day for a cab, if you're 4 people, it becomes quite affordable, is 2,000 rupees. For a bike, depending upon the type of bike, if you're taking a scooty, if you're taking a bullet, it ranges around 600 rupees per day to 1,300 rupees. When it comes to the 4th question, what kind of clothing should I pack if I'm coming here? So let me tell you, you buy any jackets, you buy anything. One of the best places to shop if you're coming in mountains will be the local shops there. The trips that I have had before, I went to Leh last year. I've got one of the excellent stuffs, let it be jackets, socks, everything. Please buy it from the local market. It will not only help the local vendors there but also you, because the same kind of jacket, the same material that we buy online or we go to a shop, it costs us around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. But the same kind of material, if you buy into local shops, it will be not only be cheaper but will last for a very long time. For example, I'm still using the socks that I bought from Leh last year and I preserve them, and I'm very grateful for those socks. If you have any other questions, I'll be active. Please mention in the comment and I'll reply immediately. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I think it's going to rain, so bye bye.